look at these results, and I'm going to post several throughout this video. So do you really want to know what's the difference in Everything Credit LLC and Pinnacle Credit Repair, since there's been beef there for such a long time now? First of all, any of the mistakes I made, including doing credit repair in Georgia, never tried to duck, never tried to dodge, never said that I was right, wrong, made any excuses, none of that. I addressed it, moved the business where it needed to be, and the work's being done by the people that work for me. In the States, by the way, not somebody that's making $4 to $5 an hour. So the biggest issue is the owner is mad because I've been exposing him. And I just want to be very clear, I'm not going to stop exposing him until they make him come back to the States. And eventually they will. It's going to be a hard task. I mean, that's why he fled the US to Vietnam, so he could get away with everything that he's doing when it comes to scamming people. But again, as you can see from the results, we get results. We're about results. We don't just talk about getting results. We show them. And we're not showing stuff from 5, 6, 7, 8 years ago. I can pull that stuff up on my computer if y'all want to see it. But why would I make a video in 2024 and point out results I got in 2019? Doesn't matter what I did in 2019, it's 2024. Let's see what I got right now. So again, the beef's stupid. I agree, no doubt about it. But if I don't warn more people, he's just going to continue to scam people. So I wanted to address something else. He's always bragging about badcredit.org. If you'll look at the screenshots, every single time he posts it, the date is from 2022. Why is that? Because that's when he stopped paying them. They're not going to talk about you anymore if you're not paying them. That's how those companies make their money. They don't just pick a company and write about them. They don't make money that way. That's not how that works when it comes to advertising. We don't advertise that way. We use YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and word of mouth. We're not going to pay somebody to do that. Everything's going to be done organically. That's just how we work. But if y'all do have any questions about what's going on between me and him, feel free to let me know. But people need to know about this guy because he's a very sick guy. He's mentally ill. He needs to get seen. He really does. He's a narcissist. He downgrades women, talks about how he likes little girls, and as a father that's got daughters, that's sickening to me, and it should be you too. But I can say this, at the end of the day, it's your money. If you want to pay a P-file and somebody that is hiding from everybody in Vietnam and can never come back to the States, that's on you. But when he does scam you, and he will scam you, please don't say I didn't tell you so. And please don't come back asking me for a discount because he took thousands of dollars from you. I tried to warn you. I try to warn people about this guy every single day because what he's doing is not right. Again, if y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great weekend.